What's up, YouTube?
Good morning.
This is yours.
That's not good.
Good morning. It's gym. It's like 5 a.m.
A
little bit tired, but that's fine. We're about to do a gym class, but it just started raining, so really not excited about it because our gym does the classes usually outside.
Everything's set up outside.
Everything's set up and they haven't brought it inside. There's no one outside though.
Love that.
There's no one outside, so I guess we're doing it inside. See you guys in an hour.
Later.
How do you feel?
Oh, I'm so sweaty.
We're done. Good to go.
Hey friends, it's a little while later now. It's almost lunchtime and I'm gonna make myself a nourish bowl type thing. I don't know if there's a special like definition for nourish bowls and there's stuff that you're supposed to put in it, but I'm just gonna put a bunch of like salad, some rice, some chicken or tuna, I'm not really sure yet, in a bowl and eat that. So I'm just cooking up some brown rice. Brown rice takes so long to cook though, so that's so annoying. But I'm home alone at the moment. I have work in a couple of hours, so obviously I'm going to do that. And then I have a concert tonight. It's like a Christian artist, so that's exciting with my boyfriend. But I don't know what to wear because I'm gonna have to go straight from work. So I'm gonna finish work, go get in my car, drive, get some dinner, meet up with my boyfriend, go to the concert. But I don't know what to wear. I don't know if it's gonna be cold or hot. What should I wear? Maybe a skirt. Oh, these pants are super comfy. Or I have these white flowy ones. I wear these pink flowy pants and then just a white top to go with them. Do I want to wear jeans? It's just like so hot. Honestly, maybe I'll just wear this skirt and then a little black tee and like tie it up at the front. And then probably my Birks. Okay, well that's sorted. I don't really watch Netflix very often, but I love watching documentaries, so if I watch things on Netflix, it's probably that. And at the moment, I'm watching Abducted in Plain Sight, and it's this incredible documentary about this little girl who was abducted by a family friend of hers and basically brainwashed. It was just crazy. If you want to watch it, I'm like almost at the end of it and I would highly recommend. It's just like the most insane story ever and I can't believe that it's actually real, but it's crazy. But it's almost 12 o'clock and I'm pretty sure Connor is uploading at 12 because she always posts like before she uploads and she's like, we'll be posting at this time. And I'm really excited to watch her video because I'm posting a very similar video very soon actually. So I wonder if it's up yet. I'm gonna keep getting ready for work, making my lunch. I might try and show you guys what my lunch looks like when it's done because I'm really excited about it, honestly. But I'll talk to you soon. I have my nourish bowl. I just have some spinach. I only have a tiny bit. I was gonna put more in, but this is the last of what I have. I need to do some grocery shopping. I have some cucumber, carrot, capsicum, brown rice, avocado, chicken, and sriracha. And I'm currently watching Connor and I'm obsessed. I'm so excited about this video. I literally have something so similar coming and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So if you enjoyed Connor's video, then you're also gonna enjoy mine, I reckon. I'm so excited to eat this though. Yum! Hello my friends. I can't remember if I've already vlogged anything already or not, but I think I have. Welcome back to the vlog. Today I am filming. It is a filming day. I have been filming all morning. It is like 11:30 or almost 12. I should actually start putting my brown rice on to cook. That would be smart. But yeah, I've been filming and I've made a total mess of my studio, obviously because I was filming. So I'm gonna go try clean that up now. I think I've finished filming for the day, but I still need to take a photo for Instagram, so I'm gonna leave my makeup on. Otherwise, I would have ripped it off by now. What an actual mess. Everything is like being rearranged so that I could film and I'm just really not looking forward to cleaning any of it up, but gotta do what you gotta do. Mostly cleaned up now. Still need to put some clothes away, but everything else is pretty tidy. I just made myself some lunch. This is what it looks like. I made one of these the other day. I think I showed you guys, but pretty much the same thing today. But I don't have avocado because I ran out. But I'm just cooking up some chicken as some meal prep to have in wraps and salads later this week. And that's just what's going on right now. I'm watching some Mr. Kate and just living my best life. Good morning guys, it is Sunday morning, it is 6 a.m. and I'm just heading off to the gym. I love going to the gym on a Sunday morning because like no one is there. Usually it's super empty, so I'm hoping that it will be empty this morning. And I'm hoping that I might even be able to film a bit of my workout because of that. So we'll see how we go. Today I'm going to be training abs and
glutes or like legs kind of. So I've written down my workout in this little book that I have. This is just what I do. I like writing it down in a book. My neighbor is staring at me because if I write out exactly what I'm gonna do before I get there, I'm not like standing at the gym for like 10 minutes trying to figure out what to do and then just like dawdling and like being stupid. So I write it out and I'm just gonna go and then I can get straight into it, which I prefer a lot more. I think I'll just start off with like 10 minutes of the stair machine and then I'll actually get into my workout. But after that, I'm probably just gonna come back home. I have some cleaning to do. I have to go grocery shopping because I'm working tomorrow and I usually go on a Monday. I have some videos to edit and get up, so just things like that. So let's go.
By the way, this is my outfit today. I have no idea where the top is from. It was like a hand-me-down. Sports bra from Nike. Shorts up from Cotton On Body, my favorite. And then just wearing some Nikes. Let's go.
Okay, workout is done. It is now 7:20 and I just got home. My plan in my head is to get as much done now as I possibly can before I sit down. Because I know as soon as I sit down, I'll just be like, you know? So I'm gonna look at my to-do list and see what I can do. Like I know I want to get my clothes off the line. I want to like tidy my bedroom and my study. Obviously I want to have a shower and stuff, but I'm gonna try and like get little quick things done before I do anything like that where I just like chill a bit more. So let's get this stuff done.
Like where you at. I like everything about you. Everything about you. I just had to let you know you're mine.